Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to change language or region on your MacBook. So you just need to follow me. So firstly you just need to click on this Apple icon over here on your left side corner. Click on System Settings. After open System Settings, click on General from your left side. So click on General, and on your right side you will get Language and Region. So click on that option. Now here you will get a region option. So from this drop down list you can select your region easily, and if your language is not showing over here, then you can easily click on this plus button over here, and now from this window you just need to select your language. Suppose I want to select here English India, and I will click on add, and now click on which language you want to choose as your primary language. So in my case I will choose this language, and after that you just need to restart your PC and it will set your default primary language. So I hope this quick tutorial really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.